This is the comfrey best liquid fertilizer in the world video. Earlier in the comfrey playlist, we harvested comfrey and we stuffed them in these buckets right here. This one was the comfrey tea, which was packed and then filled with water.
Ew!
You can see that. Yep, that's
good and disgusting.
Ooh. That's ooh, and that is the best fertilizer you will ever. Yeah.
Close that. P.U.
Whoa. Yeah, that's about ready. Wow, baby. Okay.
Oh gosh, it smells like horse butt.
Yep.
And not on a good way.
Yep. Smells like horsey mess. Yeah. Okay. This one was just packed.
30 seconds.
That is concentrated comfrey juice. I will have to dilute that with non-chlorinated water, so I'll cut that about at least 50-50. I don't want to use that straight stuff. At least 50-50. That's comfrey juice.
Ew.
That is beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. It doesn't smell beautiful, trust me. It does not smell beautiful. It smells like horsey butt.
Yep.
So dilute that, pour it on anything you want to pour it on. I might pour some on the tomatoes, maybe some cantaloupe, but I've got plenty. This will go a long way. That was like 1 gallon. I can get 5 gallons easily out of that by mixing it with water, garden water, non-chlorinated water, and I can soak anything I want to soak. I'm going to soak the gladiolas because that was a promise made to a viewer who didn't get to see the results of the gladiolas in a wash tub last year.
And they're doing well.
Yes, they are doing well. They're starting. You can feel the inner stalk growing right now. So maybe 2 more weeks we'll have some stalks and flowers coming up. Like and subscribe. Watch the whole playlist.